Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to hyperlink to another sheet in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I've done right here. Where can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store. Launch your Microsoft Store and search for Excel. After doing that, go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. After downloading the application, it's going to take you right here into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to hyperlink to another sheet in Excel. I'm going to be focusing on this particular aspect of the sheet. So I'm going to select the cell that I want to hyperlink, and after selecting the cell, I'm going to right click my mouse. So I'm going to click on link, and over here we have existing file or web page, place in this document, creating document email address, set it to place in this document. And once you do place in this document, you're going to have to type the cell reference, and for the next sheet is in A1, so you can change the cell reference to whatever you want. Then I'm going to have to select the sheet. The cell reference, I'm going to select the sheet, so the sheet is going to be sheet 3, which is the second sheet that I want to link it to. So I'm going to select OK. I want to select OK. That's just it. You see that if it has been hyperlinked. So if I click on this, it takes me right into the next sheet. So I'm going back to sheet 1, and I'm going to show you how you can name a particular range of cell in a second sheet and follow the same process to link to defined name range. How do I do that? I'm going to head over to the second sheet. So in here, I'm going to select this entire range of cell, and I'm going to name this to, let's say, A1 chief thoughts. So A1 chief thoughts, that's this range. Okay, so I want to link something from the first sheet to this range of sheets. So I'm heading over to sheet 1. So sheet 1. So I'm going to, let's say I'm going to click on this next one, the second one, and right click on link, and click on sheet 3. And then here where I have the defined names, I'm going to click on A1 chief thought. So, and going to click on OK. So once I click on this stem supply, it takes me to this particular range of cells automatically, and not just the entire sheet. So it just highlights this range of cells. So that's pretty much how you can hyperlink to another sheet in Excel. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.